Alright, welcome back guys. We're picking up where we left off last time and we got the gasket in, and as you can see we are doing a grid heater delete. So we got the Fleece Performance, nice black billet piece, and nice billet piece. Get the gaskets in there, and on the 14 ups you get the plug. So I'll start off by taking off the intake horn, and then taking this bad boy out and cleaning it up. Little skeptical of doing this to the truck since we live up here kind of in the northwest and it gets really cold, but as you can see the truck sits in a garage and at most is just out for 8 hours while I'm at work, which I start up at lunch, so I think we'll be fine. I've seen some guys that test it, and I do have a engine block heater if I do need to stay somewhere overnight or something and it's out in the cold. So I think we'll be good on that, and we'll just test it out and see what happens. If not, we'll just throw the grid heater back in for the winter time. There it is. Alright, let's clean this sucker out the best we can and get the new one popped in. Alright guys, just checking back in. I turned the camera off because I was getting to a point where I needed to go back in and do what I thought. Took the rocker box back off and I went ahead, started all the fuel lines. So now I'll get the horn in. Let's see, I had the gasket somewhere. There it is. I got the gasket. Go ahead and tighten that guy down, get the last fuel line in, and then start with all this again. So, just checking in, showing you what I got. Tried cleaning some of the fuel lines up. They have like a greasy gunk on them. I don't know if that's from the factory or just dirt and grime over the time, but you can just kind of tell on this one it's a little more dull, grainy looking. All of this was that way. But, alright, get you guys set up. Alright guys, everything's hooked up now. Got the batteries all connected, double, triple checked everything, and now I'll hop in the cabin, start priming the fuel, make sure that doesn't leak, and hopefully everything goes good, we can fire it up. So let's hop to it. Guys, nothing's leaked. We turned the key a few times. It's primed up, so we're gonna open the garage here and send it. Alright guys, we got her going, sounding good. Nothing's sounding weird with the idle or anything like that, so I think we got it. We just gotta let her heat up for a little bit, and then we'll tear it all back apart and crank down those head studs a little bit more, and that'll be it. So we'll see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, new day, and we're gonna tear everything back apart and crank down the head studs. So let's get started and do this as fast as possible. Well, that escalated quick.